Hello everyone, and as usual, welcome to another super late vlog. So this is my video during the fireworks festival in Busan last November 4, 2023. I'm here in Busan! We arrived here in Busan Station at 10 a.m. and we're going to another place first. So magagala-gala muna kami before going to Kwangali Beach for the fireworks festival. The weather is so nice. Pag humangin lang dun yung mararamdaman yung lamig. So we went here in Cheongsapo Station to try this sky capsule. Kaso, nung bibili na kami ng ticket, sold out na siya. Gusto ko talaga to sasakyan kasi yung previous na punta namin dito sold out din. So ayun, hindi ko kasi inakala na magso-sold out kasi tanghali pa lang naman. Pero ayun na nga, it's better to book online and reserve in advance. Dapat lalakarin na namin papuntang Haeundae kaso may isang part doon na ongoing yung construction ay hindi ka pwedeng dumaan. Kaya, pumulik na lang ulit kami doon sa Cheongsapo Station and then we are planning to walk going to yung papuntang Songjongway. And also, pwede kayo sumakay dyan sa beach train na experience ko na sumakay dyan and maganda naman yung view. So, it's past 12 na and we decided to go Kwangali. Doon na rin kami kakain and i-check na rin namin kung marami na bang tao around the beach. Finally, we are here and eating in Kwangali. So, we found this restaurant. I forgot the name. I will search for it and then ilalagay ko na lang yung name ng restaurant sa comment section. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga grilled scallops or shellfish, punta kayo dito sa restaurant na to. Maganda yung view and madaming kumakain. Also, they serve fresh seashells. Ayan, nakikita nyo gumagalaw pa sila. Ang dami guys ng serving and yung nakuha pala naming set menu is like unlimited, so medyo nalugi kami sa part na yun kasi hindi na kami nakapag-ask ng refill. At 3:30 PM dumadami na yung tao and dun sa gitnang part puno na siya. So ayun, buti na lang dito sa side wala pa masyadong nakapwesto kaya nakapag-secure kami ng slot sa may bandang unahan. It's getting dark and lumalamig na. Tapos, iba pa yung feels nung lamig kasi nasa may beachfront tayo. So, prepare the stuffs that will make you warm. Lalo na kung lamigin ka. At 7:30 PM, so nag-start sila ng ilang fireworks. So, intro pa lang to and mag-start yung program at 8 PM. Nung una, medyo kabado ako. Akala ko kasi makakancel kasi umuulan. Ang layo nung binayahin namin. Sayang naman kung hindi matutuloy. Buti na lang talaga tumila yung ulan. I'm so sorry guys kasi pili lang yung ilalagay ko dito ang clips during the show kasi baka makopyright tayo ni YouTube. I will just make a separate video for this whole show kasi we deserve to see how beautiful Busan Fireworks Festival. Lalo na kung hindi kayo nakapunta dun sa Seoul International Fireworks Festival, dito punta kayo this November 9, 2024. Same place sa Kwangali Beach. After the festival, diretso uwi na rin kami kasi tipid ang mga person. So anyway, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on my next video.